Hello wildlife and bird enthusiasts! Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Work with Us. Today, let's take flight into the colorful world of parrots. There are over 290 types of parrots, each with its special style. They are famous for copying human words and other sounds. Smart parrots are good at figuring out puzzles and solving problems. They eat lots of different things, like fruits, nuts, seeds, and even bugs. Each parrot has its own personality and special way of acting, like being outgoing or quiet. Many parrots stick with one friend for their whole life, which is super sweet. Some parrots can be friends for many years, making them great pals. They learn by watching and talking with others around them. They like being around other parrots and people as well. In the wild, parrots often hang out in big groups to stay safe and have fun. They make all sorts of sounds to talk to each other and have fun. Parrots' parents take turns keeping the eggs warm until they hatch. In nature, parrots make homes in the tree holes, cliffs, or small tunnels to keep safe. on fire, zipping around and doing prints in the air. Parrots spend lots of time making sure their feathers stay clean and neat. Parrots have different lifespans. Smaller ones between 5 and 15 years, larger ones between 20 years to 80 years. Their beaks are so strong and curved to crack nuts and chew fruits. They help each other by cleaning feathers and sharing food. They show off and do funny dances when they like someone as part of their special dance. Pet parrots can really like their human friends and become close to them. They can live happily in different places like jungles and deserts. Thank you so much for being with us. Join us again for more nature and wildlife adventure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and watch the other attractive adventures. Word with Us YouTube channel.